Fruit 3D object making videos are going absolutely viral all over social media right now, and these are genuinely some of the most satisfying and visually stunning pieces of content you will ever come across. And here is the best part about this niche that most people do not realize yet. It is still almost completely unsaturated. A very small number of creators are doing this right now, which means if you get into this niche early, you have a serious advantage and a genuine extra chance of going viral before everyone else catches on. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 5 minutes. No time wasted. Here is exactly how you can create these for completely free right now. The very first thing you need to do is head straight to the description below and open the detailed prompt I have already written for you. Copy the entire prompt carefully from start to finish, every single word without skipping anything. Once you have the full prompt copied, head directly over to Google Flow. Inside Google Flow, select the video option from the top. Now click on Ingredients and set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for that perfect vertical format. Choose OmniFlash as your video model and set your video duration to 10 seconds. Now paste the full prompt you copied directly into the field. Now here is where you make the two creative decisions that shape your entire video. Head to the very beginning of the prompt and enter your chosen fruit name in the designated fruit section. This is the fruit your object will be sculpted and crafted from. Then find the object section within the prompt and enter the name of the specific object you want to create out of that fruit. And if you already have a reference photo of the object you want to build, you can simply upload that image directly instead of typing the name. Both methods work perfectly. Once your fruit name and object are in place, hit generate, and within just a couple of seconds, your viral fruit 3D object making video will be completely finished and sitting right in front of you, ready to post. Now, let's watch the full result together. So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they drop.